Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Woodzman Adventures. It is pouring rain right now. I rode to work today. I made a video about my tank bag, but I'm going to make a little riding video talking about the rain because I want to talk about how many of you people actually ride in the rain. A lot of people won't. I do. I don't like riding to work in the rain, but I don't mind riding home because, you know, I own a towel. But, I'm fogging up. I ain't got no pin lock in here. My pin lock is screwed up, so I took it out. But I need to get a new transition lens for this Cryos Pro because it's actually cracking over here where the pin lock goes on. Anyway, how many of you guys ride your motorcycle, be it street bike, dual sport, whatever? How many of you ride it in the rain or ride it to work in the rain? School bus. I do. I don't ride it to work usually, but if I know that it is going to rain on my way home, that don't bother me because I'll get home and dry off. But I have rode it actually and left the house with it pouring rain. I put on my climb jacket because it keeps me dry, and I got the pants to match. And I'm going to get run over. He finally, I guess he noticed me. That thing ran me over. I look like a smashed bug in the road. But man, I'm telling you, we needed the rain here. It's been dry for a long time, and this is a good soaker rain. It's kind of slacking off a little bit now. But earlier it rained pretty good. It set all day. It's kind of drizzled, which is what we need because it's been so dry around here. So this is nice to get the rain. And I don't mind going out on a ride. We used to back in the dirt bike days and four-wheelers. I mean, we take off and ride have a rain ride, a rainy day ride. And it wasn't like the end of the world. It was pretty fun, actually. You have a good old time until, fogging up again. You have a good old time until it's time to go home. And you get a long ride home, and then it's cold and you freeze. Especially if you're out, you know how you are, and you're riding your dirt bikes or four-wheelers, and you're out riding, and you just got a jersey on, and it's in the summer, it's raining, so I'm telling you, with just a jersey on, you freeze on the way home. You guys know if you've done it a lot, that's always the worst thing is going home. It's not while you're out riding and playing in the rain, because then you're working it up and you're getting exercise, and the rain's no big deal. But on the way home, you're not really doing nothing. You start riding down the road, and for a long distance, and I'm talking like 8 or 10 miles. But it gets pretty cold before you get home. It's going to start pouring on me again. It's coming down pretty good. So that's what I do. Hey, comment down below if you ride in the rain. And when you do, what do you use? So do you guys got some different special things you wear in the rain? Keep you dry, keep your stuff dry. As I said in the other video just made about the Nelson Rigg Hurricane Rigg Gear tank bag, that thing keeps all my stuff dry. So my tail bag, it's actually, it's not Hurricane. It's actually called Trails In. Well, the Trails In stuff is great, but it's not waterproof. But anything Hurricane is waterproof. So when you're looking at Nelson Rigg stuff, Rigg Gear, you want to look for the Hurricane. I am getting soaked. You know how it is when you ride a long ways too, and your bike's here kind of squeezing the tank, so you got a pedal down here between your legs. You got to spread one leg and let the water out. And just splashing these mud holes and making it worse. So you can see this thing here. I'm missing this ditch of water down through here. That's a mess. So I got some videos to make for some stuff on my street bike, my Shadow, like some Nelson Rigg saddlebags, but I can't make the video because it won't stop raining, and it's going to rain tomorrow. I need to finish the video. And the only reason I can't finish it with it raining is because it's noisy. I mean, the rain's hitting the roof. It's kind of hard to video when all that noise from the rain is hitting the roof. So maybe Wednesday I can get back on it. At least I got to make some rain videos today. So I'm dropping down the hill into the holler. Man, I'm getting wet now. It's starting to come down. I'm dropping down this hill into the holler, and I will catch you guys later. So check out my links below on the rig gear stuff, as far as like I tell you in the last video or any of my videos. Go to nelsonrig.com. You use the promo code when you check out Woodzman20. You're going to get 20% off anything on their site, and over $50 you get free shipping. So pretty much anything you buy nowadays is going to be $50, but you're going to get free shipping on it. It's a heck of a deal. Don't waste your time on the other places. You get 20% off, and their price is good. So thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. Oh, I'm getting water in here now. Catch y'all next one. Right on. Yeehaw. Can't see where I'm going because I'm fogged up too much. I gotta get that pin lock back.